The chapter president of KUGTEKSA's UK branch paid a special visit to GTHS Kang Barombi today. They were warmly received by the administration, teachers, students, and the Kumba chapter.
On behalf of the student body, I warmly welcome you back to your alma mater. Your presence and support reminds us of the legacy you have built and inspire us to work harder. We hope your stay with us remains a memorable one. You are most welcome to GTHS Kang Barombi.
Amen. Wow. Thank you so much. My daughter.
The delegation toured several departments within the school to observe the learning environment and practical training being offered to students. They visited different technical and academic sections, including the woodwork department.
This machine and the other one, like that one you see, that one we are the ones who just try to bring it up. Yeah. Because it was not there. Because we cannot work with that one also. This one is another machine which we use it. For these past days, this machine has been destroying fingers of two of our colleagues here, because we are trying to manage the machine to make sure that we carry on work. You see, like these pieces here, we are about to work with it. But since it cannot function the way it works at first, because of the age of it,
they are old now.
They are old, yes. If we can, this our workshop can be modified, then I'll be the greatest person on earth.
Yeah, leave that with us. We're going to. That's the essence. I'm here myself. I'm here to see what you guys have been doing, what you guys like.
Electrical workshop.
It's electrical, isn't it?
Yes, like.
Yeah.
This is electrical machines.
Okay.
Yes, we have for experiment. This one especially. We have alternators. This machine.
Okay.
Alternators.
Are they still working?
Outdated.
They must be outdated. That's why I'm asking.
You know, 50 years of age.
They are just here now.
They are
monumental purpose.
Building department.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, people are highly welcome.
Thank you.
Bricks and blocks. Yeah. But the major problem that we have here, we don't have enough equipment for testing, for laboratory tests.
Laboratory tests, yeah.
Yes. Like
soil compaction tests.
Yeah, soil compaction tests, moisture content tests. In the moisture content test, we need something like oven.
You need an
oven. Dry
you have to dry
the samples. But since we don't have, we usually manage by the second method, by burning the aggregate with kerosene. But the best method, if we have an oven, because it's very fast to carry out the test.
They have to reach a certain temperature.
There's it.
With the local way you're doing, you cannot measure the temperature you are eating. Yeah. You are just drying it. Because I understand when you talk about compatibility tests and even the sieve test, you have to do sieve analysis.
Yeah, grain size analysis. We don't even have that one. We have the local one that we have managed to make, but it's not effective like the real one.
So it's a field which I actually understand, and I can see the difficulties you guys are having. Like what I'm seeing, that the bricks alone, what I can see here, these are not bricks actually. You can't call them bricks anymore.
Where I was about it.
Yeah, listen, you can't call them bricks anymore.
I'm
just giving the student, no matter how good they build, they will never come out with a presentation. The presentation will always be marked 4. My students, I've been in your shoes, guys. So I've been in building and construction for years. So I know what people are facing through. Like, you see what you're doing here. This is a nice lovely, brick, they call it a pillar or a column he has built, But to come out now with the dressing, that's where he's going to lose his marks. Even the exams, presentation is one. Only to start feeling these things, you have hours you're going to lose. We left this school, we know what you people are going through the same. That's why we're coming all the way from the United Kingdom to try and support you guys, because we know your pains, we know what you people are facing. Within Saudi Arabia, abroad, it's AutoCAD most engineers are using. Every company recognizes it. So that's a great job, guys. Remember when I was in my time, yeah, we used to do with blackboard technical drawing. Yeah, we never used, there was no computer, even though we went up finished in soccer team, the computers were there. The software were not there to allow us to do this type of drawing. Manual drawing, everything was drawing board.
Boards were as big as this board.
Yes, you carry them like that, you see up with the T-square. That's a great job you guys are doing.
Thank you.
Great, good improvement.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
The things you were doing, you cannot go again. Last week.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yes, you put it on, the machine is quite unarmed. You cannot come up to it, yeah. Electricity problem, and then the machine themselves, they are obsolete. We could still manage them. If we have an expert who can come maybe carry out maintenance.
There are more modern machines now adopted to our new technology. So this one are no more adopted to our day's technology. So yes, our play is that all these things should be removed.
Have to be taken out. Yeah,
Yes, because they are trying to see that there's no way, so they cannot adapt anything.
Yeah,
Things are already outdated.
So if you look at the items the children have produced, you will discover that we have deviated a bit from the real manufacturing aspect of it because of the condition of the machines, because of the constant failure of the electricity. So we now go closer to upwarding section, which is still under FM.
Motor mechanic.
This workshop, we are doing motor mechanics and almost welding, because motor mechanic can combine welding and fixing the engine.
Today I am excited to present to you an oven barbecue. This product is used for cooking, grilling and baking. Let's take in a view of our barbecue is made up of bricks, and the bricks helps to hold the heat inside the barbecue. Yes. And this place has like the exhaust pipe that through out the burn gas. Yes, sir. So I would like, if you like our product, and thanks for giving me a listen here.
This still running, baby. You are supposed to struggle to move. Yes, that's it.
Yeah. We have to. These cars are going out outdated. So I think you have to be trying to bring in the people up to the electricals. That's where you put it to move forward.
Yes. Yeah. That's it. Because this one is a whole one. Yeah. Even this one is
still a whole one.
It's a whole one diesel.
Which cause this brake cylinder.
What fluid is in there?
We have hydraulic. This is the brake cylinder. Here we have pistons. Now the piston helps to expand the brake shoe. Now the brake shoe comes in contact with the disc, which enables it to stop. Yeah, with this system, here we have the piston, here we have the brake pads. Now in this brake pad, they are fixed and the one who is movable. Now here we have the fixed one. When this one here is fixed and this is the movable one, there's a piston here. When the fluid comes here, the piston enables this one that is moving now to come in contact with this one. Since this one cannot expand again, it will cause this man to slow or stop.
Plumbing department.
The smell of the blockage.
Yes.
That if we have any problem in our rooms, that find out the smell. And there's water inside. If you find out, get some smell that you don't know where it's coming out, and there's no water, you have to check there, and you have to check it, the blockage, and flush water. And there, that's the basin.
The drain for the wash and basin.
Department has some challenges with materials, and the workshop, you see, we are still under the sun. If you people can help the department with materials and a good workshop, step up the students' level of plumbing.
What department is this today?
Plumbing and hydraulic installation system.
Yes.
UPS is good, but it cannot take all, except they will provide for all the computers.
UPS is good because it will stop shorting computer from the main power for the protection of it. So UPS.
We need projectors too.
Okay.
Yes. We need projectors too.
And what system are you using at the moment?
For the operating system, We are using, some computers have Windows 11, some have Windows 10 Pro.
Yeah, okay, Windows 10 Pro and 11.
Yes.
For the new classes.
Yes. So for the software that are inside, they are well up to date.
Okay.
Yes.
What about your antivirus?
No, for antivirus, that is what we don't have licensed antiviruses.
So how do you protect the system?
What I do is I control students not to come into the key. So it's one I just took from a student. So the another way of protection is that I shut down the ports.
Okay.
So a student cannot use any key there.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm the only one who knows where to use a key.
What about threats from the internet?
Threat from the internet, most of the computers, we don't connect them to the internet because one, the students, their mindset to come here is not to come and study first. Yes, they want to do Facebook and other explorations. So I choose to go to the internet when we are on lessons.
Okay.
Because when we carry out digital lessons, we use the projector here.
Okay.
We have so many smart
What
boards.
projectors already?
We just have one that we manage for all departments. We shuttle.
Make it a better place if we are provided with printers and photocopiers.
Okay.
We need to make the environment look like a real administrative secretariat where whatever we manage with the students theoretically in class, we have the opportunity to do it practically in here. Because when we send them out for internship in camp, we cannot really boast of effectiveness. Yes, so but here, if we have everything, we are sure of what.
So your key resources now, what really are?
We have, we'll be needing more laptops, good photocopiers, printers, and office stationaries.
Government-funded school, it's a government school. If we're coming in, we're not taking over the needs of the government. We're coming to subsidize what the government gives, and then we add on. Because we cannot come and knock this wall down that we want to inspect the school without the government approving it. We can do it, we want to do it, but we have limitations. Those boundaries are there. We cannot cross the government. Because it is their school. We are coming just like to support like ex-students, alumni coming to help. So we have some barriers as well, what we are doing. Because at some point we can do something and injure someone or hurt someone, we will be held accountable. So anything we do and go with the law, that is, you know how Cameroon is all about. You know.
Grateful in this department because the machines we're using in this department, the machines they gave us since since the school started.
Yes.
Is this your group that has brought us all these machines? All these ones, the machines we are using now are from you people. So we are very grateful. From KUGTEKSA. Yes. Yes. We had all machines that we could not even sew. So we are very, very grateful. This is a challenge for now. Because when you send these things, because of the voltage, when you send these things, the principal board not on the voltage but at least we still need more machines because the number of the students are many.
We know.
We are grateful for what you do.
Yeah, we're just trying to meet all the various departments.
Yes,
like if they can say it the same way you are saying, you know, then we can say we have reached some point. Because if you look back at the industrial section as well, they are laid behind. Yeah, they're really nothing. So I'm glad you use that word, that you are so grateful and you people are up to date with what you have at the moment. That's what we just need to try to subsidize every department. So there's not, that balance should be there. You know.
What we receive from you is actually good, it's helping the department in the sense that we can bake in larger quantities and faster, more faster.
Oh, that's good. So are you guys quite pleased with what you have at the moment?
We are quite pleased, but if, you know, the artists always ask for more.
I understand that. Yeah, you are not struggling like other departments.
Struggling in terms of?
In terms of students not being able to have the goal. How many students have you got in here?
Separate class?
Yeah. Per session, like department.
The whole department for first cycle can be going up to 150.
150?
Yes.
Okay, so they have their own week that they come to the...
No, each class has its own day.
Their own day to come in here,
yes.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
And the class, how many of them are in the class? Minimum
From
average?
one, about 65.
About 65
between 50
average.
to 60, yes.
And you have to share this amount of focus for 65 of them. Yeah, it's still small. Yeah, it's still small. 15 small. You can have just 4 on the gas cooker. Yeah. Okay.
They also went around to see some of the equipment that were donated to the school. The borehole, the giant lister, modern sewing machines, gas cookers, etc.
First of all, I would like to thank Government Technical High School, Kumba, for making this day a remarkable one for us. I want to thank the students who are here since morning waiting for us to be here for this deliberation. I am SirJerry Massango from the United Kingdom, the president of KUGTEKSA UK branch. I have been the president now, this is the 2nd year, rolling to see that our alumni matters have been met in the right way. And I want to thank the mother branch, the Kumba branch, for making this visit today a successful one, not leaving out the principal of the college. He has been a wonderful principal, and you guys have to be very proud of him. He's someone you can work with as easy as possible. Even in the middle of the night, he will pick your call and he will give you a response. So thank you, Mr. Principal, for this visit. And I want to assure GTHS Kumba, all the young students who are here today, the teachers, that we, the ex-students of GTHS Kumba, we are here in a big number to support you guys. I travel all the way from the UK to meet you guys today, to see your needs, to know your problems, to see what difficulties you guys are having, so we can try to intercede. And again, I will always make this clear that this is a government school. Even though we are helping, we have that limit we can help. We are trying to aid the students, not the government. But we have that boundaries which comes sometimes we can't do more because it's a government school. So thank you once more, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm so pleased with the numbers today. Thank you all, Mr. Principal. Oh, I'm so impressed with what you guys have been doing, managing all what the ex-students have been providing in the school. Like in the Golden Jubilee, what was handed to the school, from the generator to the equipment, the machineries. I'm so proud the way you guys are looking after them. Even though a lot needs to be done, this is just a token. And I'm still calling on our alumni matters, America, Cameroon, the UK. The UK has always been a lead of supporting the school, and we will never give up. Even my next successor is going to make what I left, and he will still continue from there, like what I inherited. So I want to assure you guys that we are behind you guys for all you need, even though we can't do everything, but we're there to support you. Your basic education needs, they are going to be met. So guys, I'm so pleased with what I've seen today. The equipments are still in very good conditions, well looked after. Thanks for the maintenance team. Even though there are still some little departments that need to be done, like the construction industry, the civil engineering, the motor mechanic, the theater mechanics, the carpentry workshop, the commercial department, the computer equipment. There's still a lot to be done. So we are calling for all alumni in the world, America, UK, Germany, France, Finland, not just to mention a few, come on board and let's help these young children to have a better future for tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President, UK chapter. It is always said, and I will still always ask, they are always here, they always answer to my cry. It is a wonderful alumni. I thank them so much for they contribute about 75% of my success as principal of GTHS Kang Barombi. I pray God just to replenish them and keep them in that strong bond, so and that they continue to think for a better future for their children, their junior and their junior brothers. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Principal.
The visit ended with item 11.